Hi, welcome back to another roundup from Binks Balustrades. We have had another really busy year, and in this video I want to run through some of my favourite projects from 2021. Firstly, I'll take you back to earlier on in the year where we installed a frameless balustrade in Malton near York. For this job we needed to create a steel shelf for the balustrade to sit on, as the patio was really poorly laid. It was about 50 or 60 mil out over its length. So we installed some steel galvanised box section to carry the on-level TL6000 track, which sat nice and level in the end. This was a beautiful transformation and the customer was delighted with the result. Next we head over to Helmsley near York. This was an exciting job situated in what used to be the old NatWest Bank. We installed two spiral staircases, one in oak and glass and the other in mild steel balustrade with beech treads. On the upper mezzanine we installed our frameless balustrade, and in the kitchens we made some bespoke mirrored splashbacks. This completely renovated the old bank into some comfortable modern apartments, and again the customer has done a phenomenal job on this one and we're incredibly pleased with the results. The next job was a massive balcony at North Riggton, one of my favourite jobs of the year. For this job the customer came to us and asked us to take out their old timber balustrade, timber decking and timber framework, as it was all rotten. We installed galvanised and powder coated steelwork and then millboard decking, and then finally we installed our favourite, the frameless balustrade. This was truly a beautiful transformation and the customer was delighted with the results. Finally, my absolute favourite job from the year was over at Halifax. This was an old ironworks that the customer has renovated amazingly internally and externally. They've had a big cantilever balcony stuck out of the back to extend their lounge from the inside to out. They've used composite decking outside and we've gone with a frameless balustrade to complement it. We've installed a couple of Juliet balconies and an internal feature staircase. This is one of our favourite projects as we specialise in balconies and balustrade. It's a really straightforward way to add extra space to the outside of your house. So that does it for this roundup. I'd like to take a minute to thank our customers and our wonderful suppliers for helping us to have another amazing year. I hope you've all enjoyed it, and if there's anything you've seen on this video, please don't hesitate to drop us an email at contact@binksbalustrades.co.uk, fill in the contact form on the website, or pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in 2022 for some more amazing projects and some great content.